Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Currently here at Disney Springs, Roberta.
Yeah.
First, I want to start off with a little breaking news, kind of.
Yeah.
Not so much breaking news, but news.
Yeah.
And also we're heading to Gideon's Bakehouse.
Yeah.
We're going to try Cookie of the Month, which we do every now and then. But check this out. Well, actually, first of all, come on in. Check it out. Look at here, guys. Sprinkles has closed at Disney Springs. And you know what? I loved Sprinkles. I thought their cupcakes were amazing. I can't believe it kind of happened quickly as we're going to go on the flying elephants here, guys, real quick. Here we go. Flying elephants, around you go. All of a sudden, it was kind of like, oh, we're closing tomorrow. All locations. And boom, that was it. So, Sprinkles, no longer here. At least at Disney Springs. Let me know. I don't even know where their other Sprinkles are, but I guess there are other locations. But we're heading over to the Gideon's Bakehouse here. I'm not sure if it's a virtual queue or a standby queue. I would think with that short of a line, we're going to get stuck in a virtual queue. And this is what happens. I'm already getting like, oh, here we go again with Gideon's. But I needed to bring Roberta this time. The last few times, Roberta, you were not with me, and
Yeah.
I need some fresh taste buds. I need something here to kind of rejuvenate these reviews.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping you're the one that's going to do it for us. I think it's just a walk-up. Let's see. So, guys, check it out. Look at how short the line is. And you can see behind me, Roberta chatting with some of the, I guess we could call cast members. I mean, they do work here at Disney. I don't know if they technically cast members that work at Gideon's. I think they have their own employees. But this should only be about a 10-minute wait. We got our little menu here. Let's have a look. Let's see. But I think I do want to try that new cookie. I think it's a banana, something kind of banana, I think. Let's see. So guys, I think what we're going to get is the banana box pie cookie. Oh, I'm sorry, cut you off. Bananas filled with white chocolate and our candied vanilla wafers. Let's try that one. Bertie, you haven't been here in a while with me. I've been doing solo Gideon's.
Yeah.
But like I said, I've done a few over the last several months. But today we'll get a couple different opinions.
I want to try the banana one.
Yeah, sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Can't wait to try it. And guys, refer back to many of my videos if you want the history and everything about Gideon's. Today we'll get right to the
Really
point.
nice, yeah.
I'll give you a quick look, kind of give you a quick look at what it looks like. But I talk all about, basically the history of it. And I've shown all the different menu items on plenty of our other vlogs. So, there it is. It's basically like an old haunted Victorian, kind of like a library. It's pretty cool. Roberta, we got the cookie,
Yeah.
but I want to show you something. I didn't know if you noticed this. Come on over here for a minute. So, if you walk down this way, I want to show you guys something. First of all, there's nowhere to sit. You cannot, there's no inside seating, there's no outdoor seating here, but I saw one of the storefronts over here had like some of the little gargoyles and stuff in the windows, so I'm kind of curious. Let me see if it's still there. Hang on a minute, guys. Let's take a walk over. So there's a terrible, because of the way the sun is now, but I don't know. This kind of looks like the same theming as Gideon's. You can see I don't know if you can see the gargoyle there. Oh, it's such bad because of the light. I'm hoping you can see it. I do. That definitely, to me. It's so bad of lighting here, but... Oh, wait, from this angle, maybe. I don't know, guys. I think it could have something to do with Gideon's. I don't know. I feel like it does. I feel like it does. Although I could be 100% wrong. I'm thinking maybe they might... Hey, you can go in there and sit down, maybe?
Yeah. It would be a good idea. No.
And it's just right around the corner from Gideon, so I don't know.
It would be a good idea, but I don't think that's good.
I don't know. We'll have to wait and find out, but I at least wanted to show you that because this is always the dilemma. Where are you going to go and sit down and eat your cookies?
Yeah.
I go over to Deluxe Burger a lot, but we'll see. We'll find a spot. I'm finding all kinds of things I haven't noticed. This is called the basket. It's part of Wine Bar George, but it's like a walk-up window. Pretty neat. It's right across from Gideon's. They have like adult beverage, wines. They got little snacks in there. Let me see. Man, the sun. I'm at the worst angle of sun. They got a cheese and meat box. You probably can't see it. They have little shortbreads. That's pretty neat. I've never noticed this. Who knows how long this has been here either? Maybe I'm missing things, but that looks pretty good. So they do have some tables here, but we can't sit there because it's only for the basket, the Wine Bar George basket. But I'll show you the menu quick. Feel free to pause on there. The cheese and meat box is $19. That kind of stood out to me. Some frozen beverage there. Wines, beer, and cider. So little bites. Little sandwiches and stuff. Pretty neat. Roberta, we gotta find a spot and try our cookie. Should we go around the corner here? We'll find a spot. Here we go, guys. We found a nice seat here.
With the bird singing.
Yeah, you're gonna hear a lot of birds singing.
They want some of our cookies.
Yeah, I want to let Roberta have honors. And just once again, it is the banana bread pie box cookie. Is that what it says?
Banana box pie cookie.
Banana box pie cookie. Bananas filled with white chocolate and our candied vanilla wafers. Roberta, get right into it if you don't mind. I see a nod of yes. I see happiness.
You see, the first flavor in my mouth was banana. Remember when we had that banana bread at the foxtail?
Mm-hmm.
The last thing that I tasted was a banana. This one was just like, this is a banana.
Mm.
Oh my gosh, it's good. If you like banana,
I tell you what, no
It is
birds.
good.
Birds cannot eat banana box pie cookie. It's kind of like a tongue twister. Now, usually, I would say this about Gideon's. Usually there's nothing that really is powerful in the cookie more than something else. But this one does, as
the banana
advertised.
is, yeah.
Wow. It is good. It's got the wafers in it, guys. You can see those. See the dough. But it's like a banana dough, Roberta, right?
I can still taste it, everything.
I can taste it. I love it.
This is actually, if I can, I'm gonna leave some for Jake. But if I can,
Do we have to?
Yeah,
Just joking. Our son, if you're new.
yeah. In the middle does look like, it is thicker. I would say it seems like thicker.
Oh, I love it.
But can I say something? I think this becomes one of my new favorites.
It is really good. I knew I needed my luck to change. Having Roberta join me for a Gideon's. What's nice now is, besides I think they're grackles. Yes, grackles.
Don't know.
You know, they look like the crow, but they got a little purple. I think grackle is what they call them. Because that's what they sound like they're doing, grackling. I knew, Roberta, you coming today, the energy of the universe would make Gideon's good. But I also want to mention, you'll see a lot of us when we do our Monday vlogs now, because we're both off on Mondays for the most part. So we're able to do a lot of vlogs together on Mondays. And the recording of this video now is Monday, January 5th.
Yeah.
So with that being said, Roberta, we will give some scores, but do you know that the Happy New Year statute of limitations has run out?
Can I nick a seat?
Of course you can.
Thank you very much.
And we are offering our seat to a friend here. But guys, I've been joking around about when's the cutoff for Happy New Year.
Yeah.
This year we did decide because of the holiday falling on a Thursday, Roberta,
Yeah.
and the 4th being a Sunday. The 4th would be the cutoff to just say Happy New Year to a random person. And today is the 5th. The statute of limitations has run out. There is no more. If somebody says Happy New Year, yes, of course, okay, but it should not be happening anymore. Now we are into 2026, moving
That's it.
forward. All of your goals and resolutions now should be enforced.
Yeah.
And again, the statute of limitations has run out on Happy New Year, wishing Happy New Year. Can I just say that?
Sure. Yeah.
Also, we need some ratings on this cookie. Could I go first on the ratings? Because
Yeah.
I'm just like blah, 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 blah. What I loved about this cookie was, yes, it's all about banana.
Yeah.
It's all about banana. I don't know about the box pie and all of this, but it was just an amazing, dense cookie.
It was dense, yeah.
Very, very dense, a heavy cookie, but
Yeah.
when you bite into it, you do get the other flavors subtly.
Yeah.
The chips are nice because it's almost like a little crunch. You got the wafers in there.
Yeah.
It
was good.
And you know what I noticed is they cut down a little bit on their sea salt.
Yeah.
Gideon's had a tendency the last several times. It was just like, okay, give me the sea salt shaker and we'll just... There's a hint of it.
Yeah.
But it is much less this time. And sometimes when you have that salt, the sweetness goes away, if you will. I'm going to let you talk and then I'm going to come up with a rating because I don't
I
want...
agree. And I like the middle part. It was a little bit like towards the soft side. And the outside, it was the crunchy part.
Oh.
Everything else, I agree. The first thing that I tasted was the banana, which was good. If you like banana, like on a cookie or a banana bread or anything like that, definitely. The score, I can go first.
Go
I
ahead.
think that's become like, I think that one's one of my favorites now. I would give it 9.5.
I still have never heard Roberta give it 10.
You know?
9.5, and I agree. I'm giving it a 9.5, but you have to like banana. And that's the whole thing, is these are our opinions.
Yeah.
If you came down and you didn't like banana and you ate a banana box pie cookie, you might give it a 6. Because you don't like banana.
I think I would give it 10 for something. I can't remember though.
She's thinking. Maybe. I've given only a few 10s.
Yeah. But
But
that's
guys,
a 9.5.
this was very good. And plus the fact that we only waited in line about 10 minutes, which is almost unheard of.
Yeah.
But again, it's January 5th, Monday, January 5th. All of those days between Christmas Eve and New Year's
Not
through the
just that,
weekend were
people-
all like Saturday. It felt like Saturday every day. And today was like Monday. We were feeling it today. We're tired.
Everybody, kids are back to school in Florida, and
Yes.
people are back to travel is fun. Yeah.
Just like that big long of not knowing what day it is, the warp time of the year. We love the holidays. We're just being, funny about it. But isn't it true? Today, whoever woke up today, Monday the 5th, all of a sudden it was like Monday hit so hard.
Yeah.
It was like, it's like a real Monday. It's like they all caught up to us. I had a lot of fun making this vlog today.
Yeah.
And I had a lot of fun with you guys. Of course,
Yeah.
on Medling World, it's always an adventure, Roberta.
Yeah.
You never know what's going to happen.
Talking about that, we are heading out to do another vlog.
We are.
Yeah.
We're going to make another vlog probably from here because we are here.
Yeah.
And we do like to do Disney content as well. People sometimes, what happened to you at Disney? We're also thinking about getting back on a Disney resort
Yeah.
at some point. Cruising coming soon. Working on that.
Working on that. Yeah.
Lots of things coming up on Medling World. And of course, in the meantime, we're always going to have something.
Yeah.
But bigger and better for 2026.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!